To manually sync your project and task data, start by opening a web browser and typing in the website address. One of the first options that appears should be the official website, which you will need to click on to access. Once the website is open, you will see various options such as adding a task, viewing projects, and exploring templates. To access the settings, click on the relevant option, where you will find a range of choices including General, Advanced, Subscription, Team, and Productivity notifications, as well as integrations. To manually sync your data, look for the relevant options and click on them. If you encounter a sync error, which may be indicated by a message stating that updates couldn't be synced with the servers, you can try again after waiting a few minutes. If the changes have been successfully synced, you will see a check mark, and you can also choose to discard any field updates. Additionally, there is a sync button that you can click on to initiate the syncing process. When syncing, you may encounter some issues, but these can be resolved by verifying the data. By following these steps, you should be able to manually sync your project and task data. If you have any trouble during the process, you can try clicking on the relevant options to resolve any issues.